Where's the car?
Good.
What's the car say?
Beep, beep,
Beep, beep.
Good.
Can you count?
2,
1.
2,
What comes after 2?
2,
3.
3,
Good job. What does the bus say?
this,
Does the bus say beep, beep?
beep,
What does a lion say? You know what a lion says? What about a frog?
beep,
Monkey?
oh,
What about a cow? What does a cow say?
oh,
Moo. What about a horse?
9,
Neigh. What about a piggy? Oink. Do you know what a duck says? Quack. Who's calling?
Nana,
Nana's calling us. Should we say hi, Nana?